Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another tech tip. Today we're discussing the data enrichment feature of Zoho CRM. So on the Zoho One website there's a little explainer video here. So if you just search Zoho One Enrich Data, it will show you this page and you can watch this little video just to give you a bit more information about how it works. But today I'm going to turn it on inside Zoho CRM and just show you exactly how it works. So when we talk about enriching our data, what it refers to is, for example, in our CRM we have lots of contacts and leads, but say for a lead we might have some basic information. We might have a person's name, but we may not have their company or their location or their email address. And so what this feature can do is it actually searches the web, finds some of that information, and then gives us the option to bring that into the CRM and fill in those gaps in our data, which then makes our data and our CRM more valuable. So the better our data is, the more valuable it is. Okay, so let's go across to Zoho CRM. So I go to settings, so the cog in the top right, and then down here under ZIA, so it's part of ZIA, we have data enrichment. Okay, and if it's not turned on in your CRM yet, you'll see this screen where you have the option to turn it on, and it just gives you an explanation of what it will do. So we'll click on Get Started. Now we have the option to specify which of the modules we want this turned on for. So do we want it for leads, contacts, or companies? We can have it on for all, or we can selectively choose them. So I'm just going to say leads for now. Okay, so now if I go to my lead here, so I've got one that I prepared before. Now this lead I've specifically created this lead and I've only filled in 3 of the fields. So I've got this person's name, so first name, last name, and I've got their company, okay, but I don't have any other information. So now what I can do, now that I've got the data enrichment option turned on in the CRM, when I open up this lead, if I click on this ellipsis button, you'll see down here in the options I've got Enrich Data, and there's this green information panel here which says available. So that means it has found some information which might be suitable. So we'll click on this. Okay, so here's the information that it's found. So it's got a phone number, industry, website, Twitter feed, street address, state, city, zip code, and country. Okay, so that's what it's found by searching the web. And now it's up to me, so I can click on update lead to copy that into this particular lead. But say for example I didn't want the Twitter feed, or perhaps I know that that's not right, it's not the correct one. Okay, so this isn't foolproof, it's just an assist. So they give you this page so you can review this information, because it's not necessarily going to be correct. It's working off the information that it can find on the web, so it's not always a direct match. Okay, so we just decide what's useful to us. We can also configure the fields here as well. Okay, and if we click update lead, okay, you'll see it fills in these fields for us in the edit window, and I'll just click save, and now I've got that information in there. Okay, so that can just help you out if you're finding you don't have a lot of information for your leads or your contacts, or you maybe have an admin person that does this for you. It's worth trying this feature and just see how it goes. It could speed up some of your processes, your admin processes there when you're finding this data, but it's definitely worth having a look. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tech tip, and I'll speak to you next time.